Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing, something coming in from DLT Trading, something I stumbled across, and we're going to take a look at this together. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my ProTech USA-made TR3 Auto and OTS out the side. Love this guy. It has that lock on there. My wife bought this for me actually for our anniversary. Let's get into this guy. This box is actually kind of dirty. I don't know if it's because of the snowstorm and where it went, but you can see it's leaving dirt all over my countertop. There's the paper. Let's take a look at there. We have a receipt. Don't be heartbroken. Okay. This is Don't Be Heartbroken from TLT. There you go. So what do we have here? Something unique right here. Guardian Tactical. All right, so I've had a Guardian Tactical before. I've had like I think it's an 030 or 040, I think. This is a Guardian Tactical Apex MagnaMax. Do you see that? MagnaMax. So that's something new. So let's take a look here. What do we have? Okay, so we have the typical lifetime warranty card. Caution sharp edge. Got a little cover on top here, and then you have this where it sits on the bottom. So let's take a look at this guy. Carbon fiber inlay, dust from that box. All right, looks like maybe a glass breaker back there. Looks like it might be carbide, but it's not your traditional pokey. Got a clip, nice and flexible, right? We got the Guardian Tactical proprietary. They have this slide on here, which makes it one of the smoothest knives to open and close. I love the texture all the way around. It's a little bit bigger than my 035 was, or 030, but here we go. Ready? Ooh. Ooh, hollow grind. Look at that edge. Nice edge. Yep. Even on both sides. Very good. Got a swedge on top up here. Little cutout right here, which is just a nice little aesthetic touch. All right. Nice thick blade, nice pokey tip. That is so smooth. That is just ridiculously smooth. All right, let's see that edge. That edge is, now this is MagnaMax. You see that? MagnaMax. That's a variant of MagnaCut. It's supposed to be some of the, not maybe quite as tough, but still very tough. Better edge retention and all sorts of stuff. So let's see. Do I have a piece of paper? I'm going to have to steal a sticky note here. So let's see. All right. So definitely pretty sharp. Wow. That's cool. Now the thing about that I love particularly, that's a sticky note, so I have some sticky sides to it. So is that, man, boy, that box was dirty, huh? You can see my desktop. What I love particularly, Guardian Tactical GT, you have on here patent. Here's your patent number. So it's not numbered or anything. I like the clip. Looks like it's good going in. It is reversible. Right hand, left hand. Tip. Well, obviously it's tip down because it's an OTF. Now what you see here is the Apex. Oh, number 153. There we are. Apex number 153. So very cool. All right, we're going to wipe the oil off there. Now, oil is always a good thing to have in there. So let's see. Always be a little bit of blade play in an OTF. That is just kind of a given. Unless you get like, you know, one of those Hawk deadlocks or the zero blade play or zero blade tolerance, the Microtech ones that I thought were going away, but it looks like they're coming back. So anyways, I love the DLC on here, and I believe it is carbon fiber two-tone black SC. I don't know if it's DLC or not. I really don't care because it's MagnaMax. I want to get a chance to try that. The tip comes to a very pokey tip. So you can see that. That tip is going to be very pokey, sharp tip. Really cool. Wow. I like the texture on here. It's actually really cool. Very nice. All right, so let's do a nice zoom in so you can take a look at this. All right, so here we have the blade with a nice hollow grind. Beautiful hollow grind all the way across here. Nice swedge on top. It's even a little hollow grind swedge. Got this little cutout. I mean, I guess if you need it to do a precision cut, you have something to grip onto, so I guess that's good, right? Got a nice big sharpening choil. It is off to the side, as you can see. None of them usually are normally dead center, or else they have to be a little wider. I like this carbon fiber inlay on top of the aluminum body. We've got, looks like T8 or T10. So let's find out real quick. So here's a T8, just in case you're crazy enough to want to take it apart. Yeah, it looks like T8s. Yeah, the T8s all the way around. All right, very cool. And that, since it moves around, I bet that sets in between the scales there, so you don't have to worry about tightening that in and unscrewing it and screwing it. So I think that's cool. And we got this nice texture all the way across. It works. It holds you, locks you in place, but it's not overly aggressive. You have it on both sides, and then you can see right there. That's that proprietary slide. Let me show you how it looks. So we're going to close it, and you see it there. Really does make it very simple. We'll open it this way so you can see. You see that? I'll see if I could do it with my index finger. It's not quite natural to do it that way, but you know, there we go. And then you got the clip right here. Nice looking clip. I actually like this. I assume this is going to be a titanium, or is it steel? Oh, it is titanium. Titanium clip. Nice. I like titanium clips. They hold better for me. They're more flexible and less chance of me worrying about breaking it. All right, so here we have the X drive. So this is supposed to be X drive. It does open really well. It's pretty solid, I will tell you that. Feels really, really, really solid. Does have a nice opening on there for sure. Wow. And here's a glass breaker in case you're curious right there. You got 2 screws, and you can see reverse, right hand, left hand, however you want to carry it. So I would pull it out of my right hand, have my thumb here. If I was left-handed, I'd want to pull it out, pull it here. So I could put the clip over here, so I could have my thumb here to open it. Now I can still open it left-handed, right? There's no problems there. And I got plenty of texture all the way around to do that. So if I want to switch, I can switch easily. And let's look at the jimping on here. So you have it where it's a little down. So when you push forward, you can get in there, push. And then over here, you lay your thumb flat and you can pull back. And it just rides really nicely on that metal plate there. I believe there's ceramic balls. You see the little lines there? I believe those are ceramic balls that are underneath, and that's why it's so smooth. All right, so here's the front. You can see the track going in there. The blade doesn't stick out really, really far, so you're not worried about hitting the blade. Yeah, it's right there. So, yeah, not going to be close to that, which is good. So that's nice. I really like the carbon fiber inlay and the texture on here. The diamond pattern, I think that's really cool. It's got a lot of good texture. All right, so let's zoom out and let's take a look at this guy together right here. MagnaMax. That is stinking cool. I really, really, really dig this. The hollow grind is really nice, by the way. A really nice hollow grind. That's stinking cool. Yeah. All right. We'll have to carry this. I always seem to sell every OTF I have. And the first OTF I ever had was a live wire. And recently I did order a live wire in carbon fiber because I had these incredible points from Freedom Knife Shop. And so I'm going to compare that to the live wire and see what's the difference. Because, this one's probably going to be about 2 times, maybe, 75, 60, 75% more than the live wire one that I'm going to look at. Now, the live wire one I'm going to look at is carbon fiber, so that's a little more together as well. Without carbon fiber, it might be a little less expensive, but that's okay, right? Like this one here is going to be a little more expensive because it's got carbon fiber inlay. But, oh man, that is so smooth. Gosh, I really like that a lot. Wow. Yeah, very, very cool. Just for fun, we're gonna see what is that edge? What are we at? Yeah, that's really cool. Again, so easy that Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, maybe not one finger, but I can definitely do it that way. And then we can definitely do the left hand, right? Super easy to open and close. MagnaMax X Drive. This is the Apex number 153. Really cool. Really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so we'll have to handle this, do a little review on this, see if this is something we'll keep or it's catch and release. I don't know. But it is MagnaMax. That's why I wanted to get it, because that's going to be something rare. I know they'll be coming more and more out, but there's nothing yet that I saw drop with MagnaMax besides I heard ProTech using it at Blade Show or SHOT Show, right? They were showing their new knife that they had. I think it was a Chavez collab or something. But anyways, here we are. This is the Guardian Tactical Apex in MagnaMax with aluminum PVD covered handles with carbon fiber inlay and MagnaMax hollow grind drop point. Yeah, that's a drop point. So there we go. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, interesting, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel really does help me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there for watching the channel, being part of the community, being part of the live stream. I appreciate every one of you guys so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider also hitting that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Big shout out to the channel members. You do two things. Because of your memberships, you encourage me. I don't do this full time. I'm part time. So thank you. I really do mean that. You really do keep me going. And secondly, because of your generous support, you allow the channel to do things way sooner than I thought I could. For instance, we have the once a week budget banger giveaways. Cover the cost of shipping of that. Borrowing knives and being able to ship them back. Being able to ship, for giveaways, everything. You're a huge part of that. A lot of these things I wouldn't be able to do without you guys. So thank you. Small way for me to say thank you. I want to do two things. Brand new channel members, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. So if you're a brand new channel member, email me your name and address and let me know you're a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. I still try to handwrite those as much as I can. As the channel grows, might be more of a challenge, but I'm going to keep doing it as long as I can. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways. And members, you're eligible for both. You're not restricted to just winning one. You can win both, right? And I always try to make sure the members giveaway is something a little bit nicer than budget banger giveaway, something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. That's my hope for you. If any of that sounds interesting, there is a link down below on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you as a member. Don't ever feel pressure to do it. Don't do it if you feel that way in any way. But if you choose to do so, if you decide to become a member, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, I thought there's more. Yes, there is. There's special emojis you could post here. Live stream. There's 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary little things that I do for you guys. There's kazoo salutes on the live stream for your each month anniversary and all sorts of different things. There's exclusive content. Yes, all of that is there. It's just my small ways of saying thank you, let you know how much you mean, how much I appreciate you. It's never enough, but it is a small way for me to say that. So thank you. Thank you. If you guys haven't already, maybe also consider checking me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.